Well, students, today we will solve question number 5 and question number 6. Question number 5 is in figure POQ is a line. This is POQ. POQ. And ray OR is perpendicular to line PQ. OR. This is perpendicular. And another ray OS is lying on between the ray OP and OR. OP and OR. Another ray. That is OS. OS. Prove that angle ROS equal half angle QOS minus POS. We have V1 POQ is a line OR, ray OR, ray OR lies on POQ and another ray OS is lying between rays OP and OR. Between rays OP and OR. Ray, another ray OS lying between this. Prove that. Next point is prove that angle ROS is equal half into angle QOS minus angle POS. Now, next point is proof. Since POQ is a line, then angle QOR plus angle POR equal 180 degree. That is making linear pair. Here OR is perpendicular, therefore this angle is 90 degree. So 90 degree plus POR equal 180 degree. Since OR perpendicular to line POQ or PQ. Now POR equal 180 degree minus 90 degree. This will be 90 degree. Now find QOS. Now angle QOS is equal to, this is QOS, this one. This will be this plus this. So angle QOR plus angle ROS. QOR is QOR. This one is 90 degree. 90 degree plus angle ROS. Here is angle QOS. You take this one as equation 1. And next one, angle POS. Angle POS is equal. POS is this one. Only this one. This can be written as this minus this. Or angle POR minus angle ROS. or POR is 90 degree. POR is 90 degree. You can take here 90 minus ROS, here angle POS. This is equation 2. Now subtracting from equation 1 to equation 2. Subtracting equation 2 from equation 1, we get here is angle QOS. Angle QOS minus angle POS. POS, and right hand side is, this one is 90 degree plus angle ROS minus 90 degree minus angle ROS. 90 degree plus ROS minus 90 degree plus angle ROS. 90 plus 90 minus cancel out. This will be angle 2 ROS. Here is angle QOS minus angle POS. Taking 2 in left hand side, this will be half or 1 upon 2. Angle QOS minus angle POS is equals angle ROS. ROS, or this can be written as angle ROS is equal half into angle QOS minus angle POS. Hence proved. This is the answer. Hence proved. This is question number 5. Now question number 6. Next will be question number 6. Question number 6. That is, it is given that angle XYZ is 64 degree. Angle XYZ is 64 degree and XY is produced to point P. This is produced to point P, and a ray YQ bisect angle ZYP. YQ bisect this. Bisect mean this divide the angle in two equal parts. This one equal this one. If ray YQ bisect angle ZYP, find XYQ and reflex angle YQP. So first point is given. Angle XYZ equals 60 degree and YQ is bisect angle ZYP. To find measurement of angle XYQ and reflex angle QYP. Solution. Solution of question is now. Since angle XYZ plus angle ZYP equal 180 degree, this makes a linear pair, or this is linear pair adjoints because XY and YP are opposite rays. Now putting here XYZ is 64 degree, or 64 degree plus angle ZYP equals 180 degree, or ZYP equal 180 degree minus 64 degree, this will equal 116 degree. ZYP. Since YQ bisect angle ZYP, therefore angle QYP equal angle ZYQ, or equal half angle ZYP. So this is equal to 1 upon 2 into whole angle is 116 multiplied by 116, cancel by 2, this will be 58 degree, equal 58 degree. Now we have to find angle XYQ. So this will be the sum of this and this, sum of XYZ and ZYQ. Now angle XYQ will equal to angle XYZ plus angle ZYQ. XYZ is 64 degree plus angle ZYQ equals 58 degree. This will be 8 plus 4 12, carry 1, 5 plus 8 11, 11 plus 1 12. This will be equal 122 degree. Now angle QYP is 58 degree. Now reflex angle QYP, this will equal whole angle or complete angle minus angle QYP. Complete angle is 360 degree, so we will subtract from 360 minus angle QYP is 58 degree, this will be 302 degree. This is question number 6. So the exercise is completed.